For industrial B2B businesses, CRM systems are no longer a nice-to-have option. They're a critical centerpiece for executing a winning digital sales and marketing strategy. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 key ways to get more value from your CRM. Insight number 1, align your CRM to your sales and marketing operations. One common challenge that industrial B2B businesses face is implementing a new CRM system and then falling back into the old ways of using spreadsheets to manage their pipeline and other activities. CRM has to become the central repository of which all of your sales and marketing records are placed. Industrial sales leaders should begin by thinking, what are the operational activities that you need to align your CRM to? For marketing, a lot of the same rules apply. CRM systems can provide a tremendous amount of value, but only if you're using them to place all of your records for both sales and marketing into the repository. By connecting systems like marketing automation, you're able to make better use of the data in your CRM to drive things like personalization and better sales engagement. Finally, CRM systems should be structured so that sales and marketing teams both have access to all the information that they need to run their business units. You should set up customized dashboards and places inside of your CRM where both teams are able to go to get the information that they need. Using your CRM system as the system of record to conduct your meetings, pipeline reviews, or any other activity that your sales or marketing team is engaging in is a great way to drive engagement for the CRM and use it as home base for all of your information. Insight number 2, use artificial intelligence to automate and analyze. Artificial intelligence is one of the hottest topics in industrial B2B marketing right now. We have just begun to see all of the opportunities we have to apply this new technology, but at the most rudimentary base, you can use it to help improve your CRM and drive better engagement. Recent reports from Forbes indicate that less than 40% of businesses actually see a CRM utilization rate above 90%. Using AI functionality is a great way to improve engagement and utilization of CRM by eliminating time-consuming tasks that your sales team is having to do manually today. Salesforce.com has already come a long way in taking artificial intelligence and embedding it inside of their system. With Einstein Voice, you can now literally talk to your phone to tell it to do things like update your opportunity records, change a deal status, update contact information, or log notes from a meeting. It's a great way to put the power of technology into salespeople's hands, simultaneously driving better engagement and providing more value to the sales team using the new technology. AI also brings the opportunity to revolutionize the way that B2B businesses take action on their data. In the past, CRM systems were always viewed as just simply a data repository. By applying artificial intelligence, you're able to take that information that exists in your CRM and turn it into actionable insights that can help you predict outcomes. With technology like Salesforce.com's Einstein, you're able to take those AI insights and apply them to the data that you already have. Finally, you can use artificial intelligence to suggest actions for your sales team based on data that's already in your CRM. You can use it to make content suggestions for customers based on information in their contact records, or even suggest actions like when to plan a next call or how to follow up on a certain sales activity. Insight number 3, integrate a sales enablement system. Sales enablement systems are another growing trend in the industrial B2B marketplace. Sales enablement systems take marketing and sales content and data that lives in your CRM system and put the two together to help drive better customer conversations and better sales outcomes. Imagine your salespeople having access to any content that they may need, whether it's marketing collateral, sales support collateral, training information, or any other relevant document that they need to support a customer meeting, all in one place. Most sales enablement systems provide access to that content online or offline on basically any type of device that that salesperson may have with them. Finally, if you're using a sales enablement system coupled to a CRM, it eliminates a lot of the manual effort for that salesperson to go back into the CRM system and manually update things like the opportunity record, deal status, or any contact information. The two systems can simply work together in sync. Insight number 4, leverage value from other MarTech systems. Right now, there are over 7,000 different MarTech systems available to help B2B companies do their jobs better in regard to sales and marketing. It can be rather overwhelming looking at all of those different MarTech systems and trying to figure out what works best for your B2B business, but my recommendation is to look at the core systems like marketing automation. With marketing automation, you're able to automate a lot of routine marketing tasks. All of the major marketing automation systems plug directly into CRM, and you're able to generate a tremendous amount of value when you put the two systems together. Recent data from B2B buyers would indicate that they are now 70% of the way through the buying cycle before they ever contact a sales rep. Because buyers are so much better informed and educated prior to making those sales decisions, it's that much more important that you're using things like marketing automation to personalize and automate your touch points with those customers so that you're engaged and connected with them as they're doing their research and early on in that sales funnel. Marketing automation can allow you to significantly improve your lead generation activities and automate a lot of routine tasks such as doing email distributions, creating landing pages, managing blogs, or really any digital touch point that you'll have with your customers prior to having that sales conversation. Insight number 5, leverage personalization. Personalization is becoming a huge part of industrial sales and marketing. Recent data from Marketo would indicate that 90% of customers said that they are much more likely to do business with brands that are providing a personalized approach in the way that they not only market to those individuals, but also the way that their sales team approaches those buyers. With the power of data, personalization has never been easier to execute at scale. Using data out of your CRM system, you're able to empower other MarTech systems and touch points that you may have with your customers digitally, where you can provide a much more tailored, personalized approach versus sending them a blanket email marketing campaign. If your sales team is taking a personalized approach to customer meetings, using systems like sales enablement to personalize those conversations, the output is better customer engagement and better customer experience. That continues to carry through on the marketing side of things by providing relevant campaigns to individuals. For example, sharing content that you know is going to be most likely engaged by that particular buyer based on all the information you've collected about them in your CRM system. Recent data from SalesLoft would indicate that one of the reasons personalization is so important in B2B industrial sales is that buyers are now looking for their salespeople to be trusted advisors, not just sales generalists. So by using personalization in that approach, sales reps are much more likely to foster those types of relationships with buyers and ultimately convert more business. So in conclusion, CRM systems are no longer the corporate mandated big brother systems of yesterday. They become the critical backbone in effectively executing a digital sales and marketing strategy. When coupling CRM with tools like sales enablement, you're able to drive much higher ROI by having better customer conversations, increasing the likelihood that you'll convert deals, and giving your sales team the proper tools they need to do their job in the age of digitalization. Thanks for watching.